Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV giving you a closer look at the carrier bearing Gen 3 from Sandcraft. Alright, so today we're taking a closer look at the carrier bearing Gen 3 coming from Sandcraft. So I'm talking to you RZR owners out there as well as you Can-Am Maverick X3 owners. So what these are intended for is to replace your stock carrier bearing that you have on your side-by-side right now. A lot of riders, they complain about a vibration or a chatter in the machines when they're under load. So this is designed to help prevent that and also add life to your machine. Now, if you've never looked at the undercarriage of your side-by-side before, well, we've got a treat for you. We've actually got this RZR XP1000 flipped over on its side. And as you can see, your drive line is pretty long on these machines. It goes from the back all the way to the front. So you can see with this XP1000, it starts at the rear differential, goes all the way up, and then right here, about in the middle of the machine, you have this intersection, and you can see this gold round thing right here. Well, this is your stock carrier bearing. So the driveline comes to here, you then have a U-joint, and then it works its way up to the front differential. Now, one thing you'll notice is that with the driveline, you have a pretty harsh angle when it comes to the carrier bearing, and then another angle as it comes up to the front. And a lot of riders will talk and complain about the vibration or chatter they feel on their machine when it's under load. And chances are that's what that vibration, that chatter is coming from. It's coming from that harsh angle that you're getting with the stock carrier bearing. So what Sandcraft has done is they've developed this carrier bearing Gen 3, and what it does is it alleviates and reduces that harsh angle that you get from the drive line through the carrier bearing and up to the front, which one, it's gonna really prolong the life of this, okay? So you're not gonna have premature wear there, and also it's gonna reduce that vibration and that chatter. So this Gen 3, okay, it's very simple. It's just going to directly replace the stock carrier bearing that you have now. But there are a few updates with this from the Gen 2. I don't know if you watched our product spotlight we did for the Gen 2, but there's a few big updates we need to talk about. So the first one is now a two-piece design versus a one-piece design with the Gen 2 that they had. Another big update is you now have a grease zerk on top. So you're actually able to grease this while it's on the machine. And the other big feature is going to be with the install. So you actually have 3 layers of protection here to keep the grease, or not the grease, but the mud, the sand, and the water out. But with the install process, okay, with their auto set angle and being a two-piece design, makes it much, much easier. Actually talking to the guys at Sandcraft, they're saying about 2 to 3 hours to get this installed. You're not going to need really any specialty tools, so you can just do it by yourself from your own home if you want to. But with that two-piece design along with that auto set angle, it just makes it very easy to press this onto your shaft. So overall, they did a really great job updating this. Okay, we've been running these on our machines here at Rocky Mountain, and they've been great. Okay, easy install. Again, it reduces that harsh angle that you have with the driveline from the back to the front, and it reduces that vibration, and also, again, prolongs the life of your machine. So if that's what you're looking for, then definitely do yourself a favor, pick up one of these carrier bearings from Sandcraft. They are machine specific, so when you're picking yours up, you just want to enter the make, the model, and the year of your side-by-side. That's going to make sure you get correct fitment. And also when it comes to install, remember I mentioned it's not going to be too bad, about 2 to 3 hours is what they're saying. They will include instructions, but also Sandcraft does have a couple how-to videos attached to the product copy, so make sure give those a watch when you're about to get this thing installed. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below, give us a call or chat live online. We'll get those answered for you. And remember, guys, that orders over $75 ship free. And if you like this product spotlight, you want to see more like it, a lot of great product videos for UTVs and how-to videos, well, make sure to subscribe to us on YouTube. I'm Chase. We'll see you on the trails.